Ready?
She does that every night now with the airplane.
Barks at him?
Runs back to the whole length of the place. So good for her. Is she coming back?
No, she's going to be a brat. What are you doing? Why are you rolling on the ball? I'll send this to Carol if I can.
Did you take it?
Look, it's settled down. I'm settling him down.
With the flowers?
No.
Oh.